Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it helps someone else who's going through these questions as well. So the one I'm going to be going through today is 1512, number of good pairs. So I'm just going to read it out here. Given an array of integers called nums, return the number of good pairs. A pair is made up of two elements, and it's good if the number at index I is equal to the number at index j, and index I, or the index I is less than the index j. So, for instance, here there's four good pairs, 0 and 3. So the 0th element is 1, and the third element is 0, 1, 2, 3 is 1 as well, so they equal each other, and 0 is less than 3, so it is a good pair. So there's 4 good pairs there, 6 good pairs here, so that's 1, and then 2, 3, that's 4, that's 5, and then this is finally 6. 6 good pairs, and there's none here. There's between 1 and 100 numbers in this nums array, and each number is between 1 and 100. So, just going to switch over to my notes and write down any ideas that I have. So, I think what I'm going to do is loop through the elements. So let's say we have like, I'm just going to use the provided example. So we're going to start with 1, and then we're going to check all these numbers to check if it equals 1. And if it is, we're going to add 1 to the number of good pairs. Then we're going to go to 2, and then we're going to check all of these. Because let's say you go to here, you're not going to check 1, because this index is going to be greater than this index. So it's not a good pair. This number matched with this number would be a good pair, but this one matched with this one wouldn't. So loop through the elements. Look through the elements for each element. Check every element after it. If two elements are equal, increment good pairs by 1. And I think this is what we're gonna do. This will be our solution. Let's give it a go. And we're gonna return good pairs amount. So comment this out. And I'm just thinking about the time complexity for this. I don't think there is a better time complexity, because you have to check yeah, for each of these you have to check if this equals this. You'd have to check if this equals any of the other elements. So I think that the time complexity on this would be, I mean, it wouldn't quite be n squared, because the first time you're checking through n elements, then you're checking through n minus 1, then n minus 2, n minus 3, n minus 4, and then n minus 5. So it's not quite n squared. So I'm not quite sure what the time complexity in this would be. So I'm just gonna call good pairs. Just initialize it to 0. So for for num in range length of nums. Okay. So for num in range length of nums for each element, loop through elements for each element, check every element after it. So for for num after and range len of nums minus num. No, you're going from num plus 1, so the number after, up until the length of numbers. Yes. Okay. So, if num is equal to num after, then good underscore pairs plus equals, so incremented by 1. And then we're going to return the amount of good pairs. We're going to run this and accept it. So I'm going to submit this. Hope it works. And there we go. Yeah, so that passed. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, watching someone else's thought process behind solving it. If you have any other solutions or ways to solve this that you thought were maybe more efficient, please leave a comment down below. I love discussing these problems. And yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and I hope you have a great day.